Welcome back to the program. Into ASEAN interview, we have for you an interesting segment on how people in Cambodia are gearing up for the elections, many of whom only know Hun Sen to have led their country for the past 30 years.
คุณผู้ชมคะกลับเข้ามาในช่วงนี้นะคะอาเซียนอินเทอร์วิวค่ะจะพาคุณผู้ชมนะคะไปที่กัมพูชาค่ะเขาบอกว่าชาวกัมพูชาที่เป็นแรงงานเนี่ยตอนนี้เขาบอกว่าการเลือกตั้งเนี่ยไม่ได้เกี่ยวข้องอะไรกับเขาเลยไม่ได้สำคัญอะไรกับชีวิตเขาเลยเพราะว่าทุกวันนี้นะคะเขาต้องทำงานหาเงินเลี้ยงดูครอบครัวแล้วก็มองว่าสิ่งเหล่านี้ไม่ใช่เรื่องสำคัญหรือว่าเรื่องใกล้ตัวของเขาก็เลยบอกว่าเขาไม่สนใจรายละเอียดจะเป็นยังไงเดี๋ยวเราจะต้องไปติดตามชมพร้อมกันค่ะ
Ken Sritouch, aged 27, is one of some 700,000 workers propping up Cambodia's vital garment and footwear industry and works about 10 hours a day, 6 days a week, sewing different parts of shoes together. With the general election looming on July 29th, critics and supporters of Prime Minister Hun Sen say winning the support of workers like her, who play a key part in making Cambodia the 6th fastest growing economy in the world, could help cement his grip on power. For Ken Sritouch, the election is secondary to her daily struggles. With around 2 weeks to go before she gives birth to her baby girl, she still catches an open-back pickup truck in the morning from her village to complete on her footwear industrial factory, a Taiwanese-owned footwear factory located in Kampong Speu Province, southwest of Phnom Penh. It produces shoes for British, American, and Japanese brands. By the time she reaches home, it's dark. Ken Sritouch makes dinner for her family, including her 4-year-old child, and waits for her husband to come home from his temporary job as a construction worker. She said she's the main breadwinner of the house and makes about $170 a month. It's the minimum wage for textile workers, not including overtime. She said it's not much for living expenses and it's not enough for the kind of work because cost of living is quite high. Like many in the country, Ken Sritouch has known no other leader but Hun Sen, who's ruled for more than 30 years. She said she thinks it's important to cast her vote, but said she understood little about political parties besides Hun Sen's ruling Cambodia People's Party. She said he's the only person who's ruled the country and she doesn't know why. Hun Sen has been visiting garment factories to secure votes. He's become a fixture at factories on the outskirts of Phnom Penh, smiling for selfies with workers, promising benefits, and handing out cash envelopes. Hun Sen's message is that they had never had it so good. The minimum wage for factory workers and civil servants had more than doubled since the last election. And he said the dividend of CPP securing peace and stability is the case. But political analysts are skeptical, saying the charm offensive will not work as many are unhappy about the rising cost of living, corruption, land grabs, and evictions. The founder of Future Forum organization, U Virak, said it won't work because the little cash they handed out will not solve fundamental problems people have. Hun Sen wants to ensure victory after 2 close elections in 2013 and 2017, with a crackdown on his critics, spurring many rights groups and the opposition to call the vote a sham. He's widely expected to win the election after the Supreme Court dissolved the main opposition, Cambodian National Rescue Party, last year, leaving no significant competitor for Hun Sen's Cambodia People Party.
คุณผู้ชมคะและนี่ก็คือทั้งหมดนะคะของรายการอาเซียน Challenge ค่ะที่เราสองคนได้นำมาฝากนะคะไม่ว่าจะเป็นเรื่องราวต่างๆวันสำคัญนะคะรวมไปถึงสิ่งหลายๆประเด็นที่น่าสนใจค่ะแต่น่าเสียดายวันนี้นะคะเวลาก็หมดลงแล้วค่ะเราสองคนรวมถึงทีมงานก็ต้องขอตัวลาไปก่อนสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ